Welcome to the MindView 7 Quick Start video on customizing your mind map. In this video, you will learn an introduction to the Design and Format tabs, how to change the layout and style of a map, how to apply global effects to a map including color schemes, branch and root shapes, page colors, and patterns. You will also learn how to change effects and properties for individual branches including color schemes, branch fill and gradient colors, branch and outlines, as well as branch boundaries and branch connections. Let's begin by taking a look at the Design tab. The Design tab is an easy way to affect all branches at one time. The Design tab contains several various features such as changing layouts, map styles, color schemes, root shapes, and more. By hovering a different layout, I can see a live preview down below, and I can easily swap between the different layouts to find the one that allows me to work most efficiently within MindView. For this example, we'll continue working in the mind map layout. As I navigate over to the Styles dialog, I can simply hover a style to update the map to that specific layout style. By selecting the drop-down, I see that there are varying styles, and I can choose the one that best suits my project's needs. I have the ability to change the color scheme of the map. I can change the root shape within the map. I can even change the individual branch shapes if I choose to. If I do not like any of the changes that have been made, I can reset the style back to the default style that's been originally selected. In this case, I'm going to return back to our default map style. I also have the ability to affect the map's text color, page color. I can even add a page pattern if I choose. Now MindView also allows me to select an individual branch or select a group of branches by left-clicking and dragging a box, and I can affect that individual or set of branches under the Format tab. So the main difference between the Design tab and the Format tab is that the Design tab affects the map in its entirety. The Format tab only addresses the branch or branches that I have selected. In this case, I can change the various main branches to ensure that my audience can see a distinct difference between the topics that we will be discussing. I can also change the individual branch shapes if I choose to under the Format tab. I can change the fill color for those various branches. I can change the outline color for those various branches. And I can also change the line color for those various branches. Another handy feature in MindView is to show a group or boundary around a set of branches. By selecting the main branch, I can choose the Format tab, I can choose Boundary, and I can choose to create a grouping of a main branch and its sub-branch sets. I can then choose to add a fill to that boundary if I'd like to, and I can even change the outline color of that boundary. Once we start adding additional information to the branches under the Format tab, I can also show specific branch data under the Format tab. If I'd like to affect an individual or set of branches text, I can do so under the Font submenu.